inaugurated the new building of the Mallangkona outpost, and this has been a very long pending demand of the people out here. And there are two things I would like to specifically mention about this. Number one is that this is a very strong message and a symbol that safety and security of our people is important, and we want to assure that it won't be just here, but in all the different parts of the state, wherever such critical locations are there, we will ensure that sufficient infrastructure and manpower is provided in different locations. Number two, we also would like to state that this building was made through the PIRF fund, which is now made available to the SPs to have a flexible fund where they can utilize it to repair new constructions at their own district level without taking any approval from the state or from the government. And this has enabled this particular building to come up. But the beauty of this building is that the people of this village have contributed as manpower, laborers. They came and worked themselves. Some even contributed by giving building materials out here. Even the SP and the DC at the personal level have come in and monitored things. So this is a very good and great example of the society coming together and sending a very strong message to the state. So I would encourage that other locations also, when there's such type of projects come up, if the community can be part of the project, it sends a very, very strong message. Thank you very much.